What is the name of a metal spinning machine? As a factory with more than 10 years of production experience in non-standard customized metal spinning machinery, we have a deep understanding of the name of this type of metal spinning machine. Name 1. Spinning machine. Meaning, emphasizes the core function of metal forming through the spinning process, and intuitively reflects the role of the machine in plastic deformation of materials to shape specific shapes in metal processing. Working process. The metal blank is placed on the rotating core mold, and the spinning tool applies pressure to it. With the rotation of the core mold and the action of the tool, the metal material gradually deforms according to the design requirements and finally becomes the desired shape. For example, when making bowls and plates in metal tableware, place the metal sheet on the core mold. Through the operation of the spinning machine, the sheet can be processed into a bowl and plate shape with a certain depth and curvature, and the surface is smooth and the shape is regular. Name 2. Metal forming lathe. Meaning, it is named based on the similarity with the working principle of the lathe, reflecting its characteristics of forming by rotating the workpiece and cooperating with the tool operation in metal processing. Working process. Similar to a lathe, the metal blank rotates and the spinning tool processes the blank like a lathe tool. The difference is that spinning deforms the metal into shape by pressure rather than cutting. For example, when processing small metal cylindrical parts, the metal forming lathe metal spinning machine can use the spinning tool to gradually process one end of the metal cylinder into a head part with a slightly smaller diameter and a specific shape during the rotation of the metal cylinder. Name 3. Flow forming machine under a specific spinning process. Meaning, a specific name when using the flow forming process, highlighting the characteristics of the metal material flowing around the core mold under the action of the roller tool in this process, which is suitable for production with requirements for thin-walled structures and high strength-to-weight ratio of parts. Working process. When the metal sheet rotates, the roller tool applies pressure to it, causing the metal material to flow around the core mold like a fluid, thereby forming the desired shape. This process pays more attention to the flow deformation of the metal. For example, in the aerospace field, when manufacturing thin-walled structural parts of certain aircraft, such as the thin-walled parts of some fuselage shells or engine air intakes, flow-forming machines, metal spinning machines, can be used to produce parts that meet strength requirements and reduce weight, ensuring the performance and safety of the aircraft. The above insights are some of our superficial understanding of what is a metal spinning machine called. Welcome to participate in the discussion.